Hey, if you're looking for the best accounting and bookkeeping software for e-commerce in the UK, United Kingdom, then I invite you to check out Link My Books with a special free trial link down in the description of this video. This link helps you get a free trial of Link My Books, and also you get free onboarding. So you'll understand exactly how to use Link My Books. People from Link My Books will guide you and answer all of your questions. And you also get 50% off for 3 whole months, special coupon code in the description. So Link My Books is a tool that can help you connect your e-commerce channels such as Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Etsy, or even Square and WooCommerce to Xero or QuickBooks for accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. So it can be used by e-commerce sellers, and also it can be used by accountants and bookkeepers. And we're going to touch on that in a little bit. So again, free trial in the description with the special discount and all that I've mentioned. So accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot is Link My Books. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping. All sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, and built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. Let's scroll down a little bit, and we're going to get here to the integrations part. So you can integrate your Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, or Square, or WooCommerce with Xero or QuickBooks with the help of Link My Books. So you're going to get a lot of financial clarity for yourself and automate all this process of accounting and bookkeeping. Now, as I mentioned previously, you can pick your role. So if you're a seller, an e-commerce seller, then you can use Link My Books. But also if you're an accountant and you're managing e-commerce sellers, then you can use Link My Books for that. So if you're a seller, in the description, I have a video for you with Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, where we show you in a 30-minute tutorial how to use Link My Books from A to Z. Of course, there's free onboarding, but in case you just want to learn before you onboard, before you even try, just see what it's all about. The video is in the description. That's for e-commerce sellers. The second video we recorded is another video with Daniel Little and myself, Ova Evan, where we show you how to use Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. So if you're such a person, then you can use the other video also in the description to understand how to use Link My Books from A to Z for accountants and bookkeepers. Again, I'll remind you, free trial in the description and free onboarding through the special link in the description, and 50% off special coupon code. Now, again, I'm an affiliate, so if you're ever going to use my link and do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from that deal with no extra cost to you, and I'm really grateful for that. So check out the link in the description. Also, on the screen here, you'll see 2 videos. First one is going to lead you to the tutorial for e-commerce sellers that will show you how to use Link My Books. And the second one is going to lead you to a tutorial where we show you how you can use Link My Books if you're an accountant or bookkeeper. I'm wishing you a great day and a happy life. Thank you for watching.